In this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve a neat macrame fringe. First, I like to cut a piece of parchment paper to protect the surface I'm working on and for easy cleanup. Then you want to brush the fringe with a macrame brush, or in this case I'm using a pet brush, which is also fine. You want to get rid of tangles or extra fibers before spraying with a fabric stiffener to avoid clumping. I also like to comb the back because the fringe tends to twist back to its original form. Now we're ready to spray it with a fabric stiffener. I'm using Aleene's Original Stiff and Quick Fabric Stiffening Spray. That was quite long. Anyway, you want to keep your distance when spraying like 3 to 4 inches away to get an even layer. Brush it in the direction or form you like. I like this stiffener because it doesn't harden my fringe like wood. It just gives it strength and body. I also like to comb the backside and then spray it a few more times. Leave it for at least 3 to 5 hours, and for best results, leave it overnight. Cut however you like it and you're done. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.